Hey guys, welcome to our new video. In today's we've decided to review the 5 best options for you. We've ranked these products based on many hours of research testing and we've picked the 5 best Revlon hair dryers that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. Revlon 1875W Volumizing Hair Dryer. The most unique thing about this hair dryer is that it consists of an ion generator. As a result, proper airflow is generated. In addition to that, it can dry a heavy volume of hair quite easily. Moreover, the ceramic coating ensures that there is no adverse impact on your hair. With 2 different heat settings, you will be able to get the styling that you always wanted. Moreover, there are 2 accessories which are included as well. Thus, it is a good option when you're looking for a Revlon hairdryer. Smooth blowouts and runway volume at your fingertips. Turn on the ion switch to release negative ions for ultimate runway volume, turn off for a smooth blowout. Complete with a built-in ceramic disc helps to dry hair quickly from the inside out to preserve healthy, natural shine. With 2 heat, 2 speed settings and smoothing concentrator attachment as well as volumizing diffuser included for the ultimate styling control. At number 4. Revlon Hot Air Brush Kit for Styling and Frizz Control. Featuring a 1200 watts of ionic styling power and 2 1-inch and 1-1/2 styling brush attachments, the tool offers you utmost frizz-free for shiny styles and smooth curls and waves. The negative ions produced by the ionic technology saturate airflow to minimize toe size of water droplets. This ensures that more moisture is infused into the hair. The more the hair is moistened, the more conditioned, softer and shinier, and less frizzy it becomes. Revlon Hair Tools is dedicated to helping women achieve beautiful hair they'll love. Whether women desire gorgeous blowouts, big enviable waves, striking straight locks, or the perfect fashion accessory to complete the look, Revlon has the styling tools you desire. Our Perfect Heat line, with triple ceramic coating, is designed to provide you with the optimal heat and ceramic coating for less damage and perfect styling level. About the product, achieve beautiful volume and soft curls. 1200 watts of power conveniently dry the hair, while the 1-inch and 1.5 barrel attachments create smooth volume or soft curls. This 2-in-1 tool features a triple ceramic coating and ionic technology to reduce frizz and add brilliant shine. At number 3. Revlon 1875W Volumizing Turbo Hair Dryer. The best thing about this Revlon hair dryer is that it has the turbo airflow button. With the help of this button, you will be able to increase the airflow quite quickly. If you plan on using it for commercial applications as well, this is one of the best features of this hairdryer. Moreover, there is a ceramic coating as well. This ensures that the damage to the hair is pretty limited. With 3 different speed settings, you will be able to use it according to your requirements. There is also a cool shot in order to set the hairstyle. Also, there is a finger diffuser accessory which is incorporated in it. All in all, if you're looking for a hairdryer which is easy to use, this one is definitely it. While triple ceramic coating and ionic technology deliver gorgeous volume and shine. Use the finger diffuser attachment to define hair curls and waves for a natural, effortless look. At number 2. Revlon 1-Step Hair Dryer and Volumizer Hot Air Brush. In order to dry and style the thickest hair, a round brush hair dryer needs to have 2 things, a large surface area to reach the maximum amount of hair and a lot of power to generate enough heat for drying that amount of hair. This product from Revlon has both, which is why it is such a hit with thick and curly-haired women. The brush barrel on this product measures 2 inches across and is capable of handling even the thickest of tresses. In terms of power, this device has a rating of 1100 watts. Its power rating makes this device one of the strongest round brush hair dryers in the market right now. Thick-barreled round brush hairdryers, unfortunately, don't work for women with short-length hair, but women with medium-length hair may be able to use it to create loose, wavy curls. While this product gets very hot and blows air with a lot of power, it also has the subtlety of ionic technology. It generates negative ions that help eliminate frizz and flyaway air by countering static in the hair. It has 2 heat settings, not including the cool setting. If you decide to buy this device, you'll be able to choose between 2 colors, mint and black. Before you make that decision, though, you should consider some of its flaws. To handle heavy, thick, and long hair, this brush needs to be big. As a result, some women might say that it is. Finally at number 1. Revlon 1875W Compact and Lightweight Hair Dryer. Dare to be new kind of bold with Revlon hair tools. Whether you're after salon-style blowouts, one-of-a-kind waves and curls, the perfect hair accessory, or you want to reinvent your style, Revlon has the tools to take your hair where it's never been before. About the product, small and compact, this blow dryer is great for travel. Quickly dry and style your hair with 2 heat and speed settings to suit your personal needs and use the cool shot setting to set the style. With removable end cap for easy cleaning and maintenance. Features a hanging ring for easy storage, protective anti-slip bumpers, and a lightweight and compact design. Black hair dryer. Dare to go there with Revlon hair tools. From afar, the beauty of this travel hair dryer will take your breath away. Its dimensions are perfect for traveling, and the lightweight design makes the situation even better. Do not try folding its handle because it is not possible. It is an excellent choice but only if traveling to Central and North America. The 1875 watts, 2 heat settings as well as the cold shot button makes the drying and styling incredible. Storage is secure because of both the hanging ring on the power cord and removable end cap. The grip is comfortable since there is an anti-slip bumper. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.